Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing laces and insoles so you can reach seams and crevices. Use a soft brush to knock off loose dirt, top to sole, because dry debris scratches when wet. Next, apply a pea-size amount of cleaner to a hidden spot. Wait about 1 minute to check for color change or material damage. Once safe, dilute solution per kit instructions. This prevents surprises and protects materials, so you get effective cleaning without ruining the shoe. You now tackle the mid-process. Deep clean in small sections to keep solution from drying unevenly. Apply cleaner, then use a soft or stiffer brush depending on the material, soft for knit and leather, firmer for rubber and midsoles, because correct bristle action lifts dirt without abrasion. Agitate with circular motions, then wipe immediately with a microfiber cloth to remove loosened grime. Once done on one area, move on. Make sure to rinse or change cloths frequently to avoid redepositing dirt. You finish by removing excess moisture and letting shoes air dry at room temperature, stuffed with paper to retain shape because heat and sun warp adhesives and fade color. Once fully dry, reinsert insoles and laces and apply a thin layer of protector spray to repel future stains. If a stain persists, spot treat the area with cleaner and a targeted brush, repeat the cycle, or let a specialized product sit longer. This troubleshooting step often breaks down stubborn grime without harming the shoe's material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.